Let's take a look at candidate assessment in the 9-box grid. Some high potential managers fail in their jobs, while some low potential managers excel. How then does the employer choose who to send through an expensive development program? The 9-box grid is one tool. It shows potential from low to medium to high on a vertical axis and performance from low to medium to high across the bottom, a total of 9 possible boxes. The grid can simplify, somewhat, the task of choosing development candidates. At the extremes, for instance, low potentials and low performers would not move on. The high potential, high performer stars likely would. Most employers focus their development resources on high performance, high potential stars, and secondarily on those rated high potential, moderate performance, or high performance and moderate potential. Other employers focus development resources on the company's mission critical employees, those central to the firm's success and survival. In any case, individual assessment should always precede development. This assessment becomes the basis for each manager's individual development plan. Action learning projects then supplement individual and group training activities.